One way to resolve overallocations is by delaying tasks and assignments, so the assigned resources can work on tasks one after the other. In this example, the finalize lease task and the identify additional cost task both occur at the same time, and they both use the project manager. But in this example, finalize lease is on the critical path. You can see its red taskbar. Identify additional cost is not critical. It has a blue taskbar. So this solution is perfect for a delay. We can delay the identify additional cost task and still not affect the project finish date. Well, when you work with delays, the best view is the leveling Gantt. So on the Task tab, click the bottom half of the Gantt chart button. Then go to More Views, click Leveling Gantt, and click Apply. And you can see the Leveling Delay field. That's how you add delays to tasks. This is the same field that Project uses in its Level Resources feature, so it's a great way to say that a delay is in a task specifically to eliminate a resource overallocation. And you can see these red people indicators show that there's a resource overallocation. I'm going to click Scroll to Task on the Task tab so we can see the taskbars. And here you can see Finalize Lease. You can see the taskbar and the resource. And for Identify Additional Costs, you can see the taskbar, and you can also see the slack coming off the end of that taskbar. Well, one thing to keep in mind is that leveling delay uses elapsed time. And if you think about it, elapsed time means working and non-working time. And that's important here because finalized lease is 5 days long. Well, that's a full work week. So if we want to delay identify additional costs, we actually have to delay it 7 elapsed days. So I click the cell, type 7ED for 7 elapsed days, and then press Enter. Well, now you can see that there's this little bar coming off the beginning of that task, and that's the leveling delay. But you also see it solves the problem because the indicators of overallocations are gone. If you decide later on to assign someone different, you can always remove the delay by setting the leveling delay field to 0 days. Delaying a task is one way to remove resource overallocations. By using the leveling delay field, you make it clear the delay is there because of resource availability.